Hello, welcome to my channel, Creative Drawing. Today I'm going to show you how to draw tulip flower with letter U. Now go and get your paper, your pencil, and your eraser, and we'll all start drawing together. Now let's draw the letter U in bigger size. Now let's draw this. Now let's draw like curved line like that. Now the same thing but attaching there. Now let's draw like a half diamond, a little curved. Now let's draw the bands. Now let's connect the ball. This. Now let's draw the leaves. Now after we're done with the leaves, our flower is done. Now let's outline it with the black marker and color it when we are done. And if you wish, you can add more details. Ta-da! My beautiful tulip flower is done. I hope you all had a lot of fun drawing with me. We'll see you again with another creative drawing. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.